Now we take plate off. Here is your shaft to install plate, and we need to remove it out. Use a small one to plug into the shaft to fix it. Take it out. Where is the most support to tap plate? You can see this side is used for 16mm inner diameter saw blade, and this side is used for 20mm inner diameter saw blade. And our default saw blade is 20mm saw blade, so we plug it into the shaft. And take install a chuck. Use a larger wrench to tighten the chuck. To finish, install the blade. We know that R5 model also supports the blade height adjustment. It fits by two parts, this screw and this one. So when you start to adjust the blade height, you need to loosen this fixing screw in counterclockwise direction to loosen, and fixing in clockwise direction. Then rotate this screw in clockwise direction to take the blade up. You can see the blade is already up here now. After you adjust the blade height to your certain wanted height, then tighten this screw to finish the height adjustment. Then you can see the blade up here. Now we install the protecting fins. Firstly, we need to peel off the protective film. Thanks for watching. See you next time.